Good day, viewers. In the garage today, doing a little planning and preparing for my deck project. We've had nothing but rain the last couple of days, so I'm not getting a whole lot done today. It's supposed to rain any time this afternoon. There's my new reciprocating saw that I haven't even took out of the box yet. I plan on using that. I'm going to mount it on a cobalt reciprocating saw stand. I haven't assembled it yet. Now when I built this house, I stick built it by hand with a handheld hammer. I had that house completely built before I went out and bought this nail gun. And it's been sitting on a shelf, I know, 7, 8 years, 10 years maybe, since the last time I used it. But I wish I'd have had it when I built this house. I would have saved myself a buku of time. Now I'm thinking this saw might be, this nail gun might be all rusted up. So I brought the WD-40 out. It's still covered with cobwebs. That looks rusty. A couple nails in there. Let's see if maybe it'll put the air on it and it'll work. I don't know. I got a hunch that stuff inside there is all rusted up. Well, the spring feels all right. What the heck, let's hook up the air hose and see will it work as soon as the air compressor gets pumped up. These are not galvanized nails here. I'm going to have to get a box of nails. The best I remember back when I bought this box of nails, they were $40 or $50. Probably more than that now. Plain shank nails. Well, there's one way to find out if it'll work or not. Put some air on it. Well, that don't sound good. Well, hell. Obviously the trigger is stuck. And I don't know diddly about repairing a... Let me go get a pair of needle nose pliers and see if that'll make it work. Well, I squirted some WD-40 down inside the hole, the air hole. Still hadn't unfroze that stuck trigger. Knowing little or nothing about how a Bostitch nailer works, it looks like this piece screws off. Let's see what's inside there. Probably don't come off, I don't know. Sure won't turn. Oh, there we go. I hope it ain't got springs springing out everywhere when I get that off there. Might I never get this nail gun working again. But it's got a big old spring or something in it. There's a fine set of threads. Ain't nothing down there but a big old chamber. With ooey. How do you get to the trigger? Alright, YouTubers, Bostitch nail gun enthusiast. Do I tear into it? Do I go look on YouTube and try to find a video about it? You know, I think YouTube might be a good idea. Where I mess around and tear something up. Let's go see if somebody's made a video how to rebuild a Bostitch nail gun. There's a model number on here. Couldn't find my needle on those pliers, but I found a pair I could get a grip on the trigger, and it don't move. It acts like it's froze up solid. Found every kind of pair of pliers but a needle nose. Okay, that part goes in and out all right. Why would air be going through it? I think the air should shoot the trigger back out, and it's not doing it. Maybe after it soaks for a while. Something just clicked. Something in there clicked. I sure hope that whatever it was released. You know, it couldn't be that easy to repair. Wow, we just drove a nail. I haven't got the air to stop leaking, but it worked. Let's see. Well, it's driving nails down in there a good half inch. It's too strong. The air is not leaking quite as bad. But that trigger got something to do with the safety on there. Might be just operating it a while, get it working. Looks like I got 2 nails left. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Driving a hole in the wood without a nail. Alright folks, let's go study up on how to repair a Bostitch nail gun. We're getting there though. I accomplished that much all by myself. Probably got a dried out O-ring or something. Yeah, but it's leaking. I got it nailed. It wouldn't work at all when I started. What?
Is it okay to bleed
Yeah. All right, viewers, let's put it up and go look on YouTube for Bostitch repair. You didn't find any model number on there. It's probably on there somewhere, but I didn't find it. Here it is, right on top. Model N79WW. Framing Nailer N79WW. Cool, let's go look it up. Not a whole lot of a vlog today. I counted all the hardy board planks I need. And looks at these clouds. If I got started, it would start raining. Let's go play YouTube a while. Thanks for tuning in.